The Honeywell Air Detective is a brand new tool for you, HVAC and environmental test professionals. With this device, you can analyze the air inside people's homes and show the homeowner what is in their air within just a few minutes. This data will help the homeowner make informed decisions about the types of air handling and cleaning equipment and services they should purchase. But before you can do that, you need to know how the Honeywell Air Detective works. The Honeywell Air Detective consists of three critical components: iPad software, device hardware, and cloud-based machine learning. The Honeywell Air Detective device is controlled by an iPad app. The app also displays the results of each sample that are generated using Honeywell's proprietary cloud-based machine learning software. The device uses a fan to sample air through a one-time use cassette. After sampling the air, the particles are imaged for analysis and for display in the app. In each package, we include everything you need to effectively use the Honeywell Air Detective. Each kit comes with a compact, rugged case for transporting a Honeywell Air Detective device, 18 single-use cassettes, 4 batteries with a battery charging dock, and a power cord. You'll need an iPad to download and install the application that controls the Honeywell Air Detective. Now it's time to get your Honeywell Air Detective ready to use. First, charge the batteries. The LEDs in the front show the charging status. Red means charging, and green means it is ready to use. 2 fully charged batteries will run the device for up to 10 samples. On top of the device, there are 2 buttons and 4 indicator lights: the power on-off button and light, the start button and light, the battery power light, and the wireless data connection light. Using your iPad, go to the Apple App Store and search for Honeywell Air Detective. Click Get to download the app. Next, you will need to register your account on Honeywell's Forge Cloud. To start, enter your email address and select Next, then choose Create Your Account. Now you'll enter your account details and click Next. You'll receive a validation code. Enter this and complete your Honeywell Forge account registration. You will then be redirected to the End User License Agreement (EULA) page. Fill out the optional company info, carefully review the report, and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Register. You are all set to start using your Honeywell Air Detective. If you are already a registered user, enter your email or username for pre-validation to log into the app on your iPad. Once you are logged in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Select Start a Reading to begin. You will see a reading wizard with 3 steps to complete: client information, device connection, and air sample locations. Enter the appropriate information for your client, including job number and location. The next step of the wizard, device connection, is where you will connect the iPad to your Honeywell Air Detective. You will once again scan the QR code on your device. Select the plus icon in the app to initiate the QR code scan. Once validated, the application will prompt you to connect to the device. Select Join, and the device will be connected to your iPad. Now that you're connected, you can start collecting readings from your device. On your iPad, you can add individual readings for each reading you collect. Whenever you perform a new reading, you need to replace the cassette in the device for accurate results. Before inserting the cassette into the device, you need to use the iPad to scan the QR code on the cassette. Once scanned, insert the cassette into the device by aligning the cassette keyway with the device key and, gently but firmly, seating the cassette. Then close the device and secure the latch. Now you are ready to perform a new reading. To start a reading, place the Honeywell Air Detective on a flat surface. We suggest using it in a location that your client occupies frequently. Press the Start Reading button on the top of the device. Each reading takes about 5 minutes. Once complete, data is synced from the device to the iPad. You can either continue collecting readings from other locations, with a new cartridge used for each reading, or select Generate Results. Once you select Generate Results, the collected reading, or readings, will be uploaded to the cloud for further analysis. You will be able to track the progress of the generated results. Once complete, you can view the particle report. You can review this report with your client in person and easily share the reports through email. Simply select Share PDF and enter your client's email. That's it. You're ready to take your Honeywell Air Detective into the field. Paired with your expertise, these reports will help you provide valuable insights for your customers so you can offer them the potential solutions for their homes and businesses.